Greetings, class, and welcome to Module 2. Module 2 is a two-part module. There is no discussion board for Module 2. Instead, your time will be spent exploring the resources available to you within Module 2 that will help you to complete both assignment number 1 and assignment number 2. So for this module, I would encourage you to review both assignments and rubrics at the beginning of the week. I would encourage you to print the assignments and the rubric information. I would encourage you to make notes, highlight, underline, and circle any required assignment content, and to complete all readings and videos within the module. The module resources will be key as you complete both assignments, and both assignments are explained in more detail under the assignment tab. Again, this is a two-part module. Part 1 is your completion of the all-hazard preparedness interview and evaluation. Again, I would encourage you to refer to the assignment where it is discussed in more detail. And then part 2 is the resiliency tool or resource development assignment. And again, I will refer you to the assignment for more specific information relative to that tool and resource that you will develop. Again, there are a number of resources embedded within Module 2 that will assist you as you move forward with assignment number 1 and assignment number 2. Do take some time to review both assignment guidelines and rubrics, as well as the various resources that are available to you within this module. Please do not hesitate to reach out if you have questions or concerns. Thank you.